Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how we can enable the Visualforce page access on a profile in Salesforce. If your users are getting access error while opening a Visualforce page, this video is definitely for you. So without wasting your time, let's get started. By the end of this video, you will learn what is Visualforce page access, why users cannot access Visualforce pages, how to enable the access using profiles. So then first we need to understand the Visualforce page. Currently I will open my receipt object. In this I will open any one of the record, and if I click on generate doc, so I will get this document. So this is we call it as Visualforce page. Means a Visualforce page in Salesforce is a custom UI page created using Salesforce markup language. So this is we call it as Visualforce page. You can also preview this page. It is completely built on using markup language. So it is used for build custom interface, display data, created custom functionality. Why we need to access this Visualforce page? Even if a Visualforce page is exit, user cannot access it unless permission is given. So access is controlled by profiles and permission sets. So for example, currently I have a receipt object. In this receipt object, I have one button like generate doc. Currently you can see if I click on that, I am not able to see that particular document. This Visualforce page is not accessible for this particular users. So that's why currently it's not visible. Even I click on generate document button, still it's not accessible for me. So then how to fix it? First we need to click on gear icon, go to setup. In top search bar, you need to search like Visualforce page. Open Visualforce pages. In here, you can see the list of Visualforce page. So that particular VF page name is EUI. So for that, I will open the security. In here, no profiles have the permission to visit that particular Visualforce page. That's why it's currently not visible. If I add that profile, then only it will visible. For example, I will add this profile and I will add sales profile. I will add finance profile also. So now I enable that VF page for these three profiles. So then click on save. So once you click on save, again go back to your object home page, hard refresh once. Now try to generate that document. You can see now I can able to see that particular VF page. So previously I am not able to see. So this is how Visualforce visibility works with profiles. So most common issues when user not able to see that particular VF page, the common issues are page not added to a profile, Apex class access is missing, object permissions not given, page URL is incorrect. In that time, that VF page is not loading or not visible. So that is for today. Now you know how to enable the Visualforce page access for a profile in Salesforce. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.